Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been tracking this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where the red and green line notations are coming from. But after today's price movement, certainly some updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do here is just some house cleaning and actually get rid of these lines down here. Sure, they still pertain. They're just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. And also what I want to do is just apply the KISS method here as we head into the weekend. Keep it simple, stupid. And there's two main technical levels that I think a lot of people are going to be watching moving forward. And when a lot of people are watching the same areas and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have with each of these areas. So the first level is just, coming about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, they tend to act as support, and that is exactly what's happened right here. So the level here from the support side of things that I think a lot of people are going to be watching is right here at 154.50. I mean, you can see a couple different occasions there and there from this morning. That's right where the price bounced off. So while nothing's guaranteed, my core point here is that it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that. If the price comes down here to 154.50 and then breaks down below it, that break could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, not guaranteed, but definitely a more than valid and rational thought process to have. So that'll be the first key level to keep a close eye on. And then the other area to watch very closely is all about that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average, currently valued at right around, let's just call it 157.75-ish. But the point here, again, same exact logic. While nothing is guaranteed, it is a more than valid thought to have that. If the price can work its way up there and get the break up through that moving average, that could in and of itself create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So that's going to be another level that'll carry a whole lot of importance next week. But all in all, keep your eye on those two technical levels, and let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.